In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for task management. We'll walk through a simple flow that shows you how to navigate a workspace, open a task, and switch between different views so you can manage your work in the way that suits you best. First, start by opening your ClickUp workspace and head to the main overview area of your team space. Think of this overview as your home base. From here, you can see the big picture of what's going on in that space and quickly drill down into the details you care about. Once you're in the overview, switch into the list view. This is usually one of the most straightforward ways to manage tasks. In list view, your tasks are laid out in rows, almost like a spreadsheet, which makes it great for quickly scanning what needs to be done, checking due dates, and updating statuses. Next, click on a task, for example, something like Task 1, to open its details. When the task opens, you'll see sections for the task title, description, status, assignee, due date, and any custom fields your workspace might use. Here, those highlight clicks refer to you interacting with different key elements inside the task. Use these highlighted areas to update the task's status, assign it to yourself or a teammate, adjust the due date, or add more information in the description. This is where you keep everything about that task in one place: notes, links, subtasks, and comments. Take a moment to explore those highlighted spots, because getting comfortable editing the task directly will save you a lot of time. Any change you make here will be reflected across all the different views. Now close or move away from the task details and start exploring the other views for this same set of tasks. Click on Board. Board view shows your tasks as cards grouped into columns, usually by status. You can drag and drop tasks between columns to move them through your workflow, which is great if you like a visual Kanban-style setup. Then switch to Calendar. Here, tasks appear on specific dates based on their due dates. This view is ideal for planning your week or month and making sure work is spread out realistically. Next, choose Gantt. The Gantt view lays out tasks on a timeline, showing how long they'll take and how they relate to each other. It's especially useful for projects with dependencies or phases. Switch over to Table view to see your tasks in a more data-heavy layout, with columns you can sort and filter. After that, check the Workload view to see how tasks are distributed across your team, helping you avoid overloading anyone. From there, click on the View options to adjust what you're seeing, and use the highlighted control to fine-tune things like filters or grouping. When you're done exploring, head back to the overview so you can quickly return to that high-level picture of your ClickUp workspace and manage your tasks with confidence.